guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute burlap wreath. What you would need is a work wreath. I have the one that already has the chenille stems on it. If you just want to use a regular wreath and place your own chenille stems, then you can definitely do that. I'll put a link to the video in the description box below to show you how to do that. You will also need burlap, and this is 8 inches width, 5 yards of burlap. I have this really cute burlap ribbon. I actually got this from the dollar store. Really cute printed. Then I have thicker burlap black ribbon. Oh, and this is a 24-inch work wreath. So you want to start with your burlap, unravel it a little bit. And you can start on the inner ring or the outer ring, whichever you choose. I think I'm just going to start on the outer ring and work my way around. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bunch the burlap just like this. And then you just pick a section. You just place the burlap in the section and you twist it a couple of times. Nice and tight. Just like that. Then you're going to pull and try to keep it like in a poof style. Like that. And you're going to come to the next ring. Okay. And then you're going to place it down. And tie it. Really tight. Just like that. Or you're just going to keep going all the way around. Okay. So I've completed the outer ring. As you can see, all the way around. Now I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the inner ring. Place it down, twist it, just like that. You're just going to take it and come all the way around. Alright, so I'm all done. I've taken the burlap around the inner and outer rings. And this next step is optional. So what I'm going to do, I had another roll of burlap and I just cut it to a strip. It doesn't have to be pretty or perfect. And I'm just going to roll it at a diagonal. Just like this. You see it has like the two little points. And I'm just going to place it randomly around the ring. Make sure you untwist this. You place it and then twist it back. This just adds a little extra. Alright, see, just like that. So I'm going to do this all around. You could skip this step and go on to the next. Alright, so I've taken the rolled up burlap and placed it all around. Like I said, this step is optional, but I just thought that it looked cute to have like the extra little, you know, pieces sticking out there, the little spikes. And I rolled it as a diagonal so that it would be pointy and not just a roll. You could roll it flat if you'd like. Next step, we're going to take the burlap ribbon and kind of let it flow around the wreath. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so you fold it up like this and just pick a random spot to start. So I'm untwisting this. I'm going to place it and twist it back just like that. And then I'm going to loosely pull it and then take it down to the outer ring. See, it's on the inner ring. I'm going to loosely pull it to the outer ring and then loosely pull it back to the inner ring so that it's just looking really pretty and flowing over the wreath. So this is how it's going to start looking. Just going to do this all the way around. Alright, so as you can see, I've taken the black ribbon all the way around, kind of just cascaded it. I went from inner ring to outer ring to inner ring, and I just alternated all the way around. And then when you come back around to the end, you're just going to let it meet up with where you first started and just twist it in here. Alright, we are almost done. Last thing we are going to do is add the cute printed ribbon I'm going to cut it into strips and place it all the way around. Alright, so I'll have the ribbon cut into strips. These are about 8 or 9 inches in length. It just doesn't matter, whatever you choose. So I've cut all of the ribbon with the ribbon cut just to make it look a little prettier. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one of both, kind of crisscross them a little bit and scrunch them together. And then I'm just going to place them all around the wreath. So I unraveled this one. I'm going to place the ribbon and then twist the stem back. And it looks just like that. And I'm just going to alternate which pattern I put on top. Last time I had polka dot on top. So this time I'm going to put the chevron on top. Crisscross, scrunch, and move around along to your next location. So do this all the way around. You can use as much as you want, as little as you want, but just have fun and be creative with this part. Alright, so I've gone around and I've added the ribbon to the wreath. But you know, when I was doing this, I decided that I wanted to add one more extra step. I took regular black ribbon. It's not burlap, it's just regular gross grain ribbon. And I ribbon cut it, and I think I want to add this to the pattern ribbon. So that's how it looks. So I think I'm going to add this to the ribbon, or I'm going to add this to the wreath just because it adds just a little extra. So I'm going to go around and add this ribbon. Alright, so I've gone around and added the black ribbon, and I think that just gives it a little extra touch and makes it look even cuter. Like I said, you can leave this off, you can add more if you'd like, but I just thought this was very, very pretty. So this is how it looks. Last thing I need to do is hide these chenille stems because this grain does not go in with my color scheme. So I'm just gonna fold them and tuck them underneath, no specific way. Alright, so I've gone around and I've tucked all the chenille stems. This is it. You can add like cute little black buttons and hot glue them on top of the chenille stems where the small little green is showing. If it doesn't bother you, that's fine. You can also put like a really pretty welcome sign in the middle if you'd like, just to add a little extra to it. You can really like have fun with this, add what you want. We are all done.